Unpacking the HP DeskJet 2700 and DeskJet Plus 4100 printer series. Open the box and remove the documents. Remove the printer power cord and USB cable, if one was provided with your printer. Remove the black and tricolor setup ink cartridges. These cartridges are designed to initialize the printer and must be used during the hardware setup. Set the box on its side and remove the printer from the box. Remove the plastic from around the printer. Remove the blue tape from the back and bottom of the printer. If present, remove the long piece of tape securing the output tray and then open the tray. Pull the right piece of tape on the front of the printer to open the cartridge access door. Pull the left piece of tape to remove the cardboard restraint in the printer. Plug in the printer using the supplied power cord.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.